There's something in human nature that compels us to reach the next level. Whether you're working from a corner office or a kitchen table, leading a congregation or a classroom, measuring results in percentages or personal progress, we are all fueled by a desire to do better for ourselves and those around us. We've created an event to be the spark that ignites that desire into action. Live to Lead is a global event bringing people together from more than 30 countries around the world. You'll be challenged, encouraged, and inspired as you meet other men and women like you who are learning how to live their lives to lead others. Hear from some of the greatest leaders and influencers in the world. This year, for the first time ever, your host site will choose the content that will best serve you and your region and meet the values of your community. You will hear from a select combination of these simulcast speakers. John C. Maxwell is a #1 New York Times best-selling author and Horatio Alger Award winner. He was identified as the #1 leader in business by the AMA and the world's most influential leadership expert by Inc. magazine in 2014. Four-time Olympian Shaunti Lowe is a world record-holding high jumper and gold medalist who has inspired millions with her story on platforms like ESPN and the O Network. Michael Jr. brings laughter and encouragement to audiences all over the world as he inspires audiences to discover and activate their purpose. His unique blend of comedy and motivation has earned him features on stages from TEDx to The Tonight Show. John Gordon has written 15 bestsellers, including The Energy Bus, The Power of Positive Leadership, and The Carpenter, which was one of 2014's top 5 business books of the year. His clients include Dell, Publix, Southwest Airlines, and several NFL, NBA, and MLB coaches and championship teams. Additional speakers may be international speaker and author Valerie Burton, Chris Robinson, who leads a team of more than 50,000 speakers, trainers, and coaches worldwide, Malcolm Gladwell, who has been called one of the 100 most influential people in the world by Time magazine, or serial entrepreneur and business expert Brandon Dawson. For the past 11 years, host sites around the globe have been hosting Live to Lead events in communities near you. Whether you run an organization with hundreds of employees like a hospital, bank, or school system, or you are a small business, church, or solo entrepreneur, your local host site is here to serve you and your teams. You can find the Live to Lead location and date in your area by going to livetolead.com and clicking Find a Local Site. This is your chance to grow you, to grow your leaders, and connect with other leaders in your community with a growth mindset. You never know who you will meet or how this day will impact your future. The only regret you will have is not being in the room. Live to Lead. Where in the world will you attend?